We have received an overwhelming response from the tourists, visitors, both from the country and abroad. Almost 2+ lakh tourists, 2.5 lakh tourists have visited this time this iconic garden, making it a history. Tulip Garden basically has its own history of breaking its previous records, and we are hopeful that a substantial footfall will be witnessed this year. Its blooming period depends entirely on temperature. This from the month of the March to April, and currently it's very congenial conditions over cloudy. If intermittent rains are there and sunshine is very a bit less, then it will last for 25 to 30 days.
So the overall response is
We are overwhelmed, and we are very thankful to people who, particularly outside our J&K, who have visited this and being a part of the festival. It's basically a spring festival. We are really overwhelmed.